Hello friends, this is Dr. Anand Pai coming back again with a problem in 1D motion. Today we are going to see a problem in JEE 2022 and this is a bit not so easy question, okay, but still let us look at it. Along with this we will see how different ways this can be interpreted, okay. So the question goes something like this. A juggler throws balls vertically upwards with the same initial velocity in air. When the first ball reaches its highest position, he throws the next ball. Assuming the juggler throws n balls per second, the maximum height the balls can reach is. So what is happening is, a juggler first initially has a ball in hand, he's throwing up, right? And it goes and reaches some height, okay? So now, when this reaches here, he throws another ball at the same time with the same velocities. Now, and also next he says he throws n balls per second. That means per second he is throwing n balls, okay? So now if you consider this distance h max as the distance, okay, to which he can throw the ball, okay. The question you may ask, sir, what is happening here is, if a ball throws with a particular height, a particular velocity, it will reach the same height. What is maximum here? Maximum because it has a constraint of time. The constraint of time here is that he throws n balls per second. Means for every ball throwing, he takes a time of 1 by n seconds. That means if he takes 2 balls per second if he throws, then per ball it is 0.5 seconds. If he throws 10 balls per ball, it is 0.1 second. Okay. So now the question is, per ball he takes 1 by n second. It also means it has a constraint on maximum because the time that is taking here to reach this high level, it should be equal to this t. Time of throwing, right, and the time it reaches the height, maximum height, that should be the same, right? So this way we have to interpret this particular problem, okay. Now let us understand. First of all, we will use this equation, v square is equal to u square plus 2as, which is a kinematic equation we will use. Here in this, we have v is equal to 0 because when it reaches the maximum height, the velocity will become 0. The initial velocity is u, let us keep it as u only. Next one is our time taken, that we will see later. Time is not required here. What is acceleration? Acceleration, see, it is going in this direction, opposite to the direction of motion, right? So I will put it as minus g, right? So now applying this, and what is s? S is h max. Applying this, we will get into this one, 0 is equal to u square minus 2g h max, right? Using this, I will get h max equal to u square by 2g. Let this be one equation, right? Next, what is the time taken for this to go up? We will use v is equal to u plus at. Okay, so now v is 0, we know that. So we will apply v is 0, u is u. Okay, v is 0, u is u, and a is minus g and time. So we will get time is equal to, if you see the time we will get it as u by g. But then time is also equal to 1 by n seconds. So what is happening? U by g is actually equal to 1 by n. Now in the answers, if you see, there is no mention of u. There is a mention of g and n. What we need? We need h max. So we will use u is equal to g by n, right? This one we will substitute in this, right? So when we do that, we will get H max is equal to, instead of U, we will write G by N the whole square divided by 2G. This will come as G square divided by 2GN square, right? And GG cancels here and you get H max is equal to G by 2N square. This would be the maximum height it would reach. And the answer is B, which is G by 2N square. Now further we have to think here is that the H max is limited by the number of balls per second. Number of balls which is thrown per second, right? Means if you throw more balls per second, that means H max reduces as a square. So what does it mean? More the balls he is juggling, he cannot throw to a much higher height. He has to throw to a lower height. But there is a constraint here that in a second he has to throw n balls. Right? If that constraint was not there, it was a different matter. Right? So furthermore, we can think, see, whenever one problem comes in JEE, we have to think what more we can do with this. It may happen, another problem can be given saying that if 10 balls has to be thrown, say in 5 minutes or 10 minutes, what is the maximum height it can reach? So there can be a number of ways in which this problem can be interpreted, and some more problems can happen. They can ask you what is U, maximum velocity, which can we change the maximum velocity so that the height is changed. So this way, I am keeping it open. Just think about it, and maybe in the next videos I will give you some more problems which is inspired from this particular problem. Okay. So I hope you have liked this video, students. Any suggestions, comments, you can put it on the comment section, as well as if you want me to solve some more questions which you feel it is challenging in this particular topic, you can actually put it and I'll be giving you the answers. Okay, whether it can be anywhere, it can be from NCERT, it can be from any textbook, it can be from any competitive exam, any competitive exam in the world. Okay, you can give me the problem and I will solve you for this particular topic. Okay, so thank you very much, students. All the best. Happy learning.